Hello YouTube. Today I would like to teach you all how to not only add a trend line to your graph, but to also send this trend line through the origin. Because when you plot a graph and you add a trend line to it, it changes to suit the plots on the line, and it does not always go through the origin. So today I would like to show you how to force that line through the origin. So generally it's the same as any graph. We put our x and y axis and our values. So this is our y and this is our x. Or x and y, any one, it's just an example. Using here concentration and absorbance, that is my example. And so we plot just a simple values here. Now we just highlight them and go to insert, scatter, and choose this scatter graph. So now we have a scatter only markers only. Looks great. Now we want to add a trend line. So we go to layout, and then trend line, linear trend line, and it adds a trend line to your graph. However, if we were to copy this and onto Word for printing purposes to make it bigger, and we were to drag the video down, we would see that it's not exactly going through the origin, and as we go further down it goes further and further away from the origin. Now we can fix that by forcing it through the origin. So in order to do that, let me just remove the trend line. In order to do that, go to trend line, more trend line options, and set the y-intercept, check this box, and leave it 0.00 or whichever number you want it to go through. Close. So we got it here. And now just to show you, if we copy that exact same graph back to Microsoft Word and we pull it down to make it bigger for either printing purposes or anything, you see that it still remains flush through the origin. So that is how you do it, and thanks for watching. Like, rate, subscribe.